Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question we ask, which molecule has a bond 109.5? And we are given different options here. We have ammonia, we have water, we have methane, and we have carbon dioxide. Now, for you to know the one that has a bond angle of this one, let me give you the various shapes and the bond angle of molecule. Firstly, we have what we call linear shape. Linear shape, if a shape of a molecule is linear, it has a bond angle of 180 degrees. Another one is what we call bent. Bent shape, or we call it V shape. V shape has a bond angle of 104 degrees. There is another shape called trigonal pyramidal. Let's look at trigonal planar first. Trigonal planar. Trigonal planar has a shape of a bond angle of 120 degrees. We have another one called trigonal pyramidal. Trigonal pyramidal has a bond angle of 107 degrees. So you can see that these are the different shapes of molecule. We also have octahedral and so on. Now we are going to determine the various shapes. Now if you come to the first one, if you look at the shape of this ammonia is like this, and bounded with what? 3 hydrogen atom with what? A lone pair. Anytime a shape is like this, it's a pyramid. Okay, this shape is a pyramid. It's like this. It's a pyramid. Now, because of this lone pair, now will now cause the bending of this one. Therefore, the bond angle of this one is what? 107. 107. Let's proceed to the shape of water. Water is, the central atom is what? Oxygen with hydrogen. With what? 2 lone pair. Water has what? 2 lone pair. Now this shape, now it is not 3 like the case of ammonia that has what? 3 hydrogen atom bounded, but this one is just only 2. So this one is called bent shape. This one is bent. So bent shape has angle of what? Of course, how what? 108. So bent shape has what? Bond angle of what? 104. So here is wrong, here is wrong. Let's look at the shape of this one. The shape of methane here, the central atom is what? Carbon bonded with here, H. This shape is called tetrahedral in shape. This is a tetrahedral. And what is the shape of and what is the bond angle of tetrahedral shape? The bond angle is what? 109. Therefore, the C is our answer. Are you following? Now let's look at carbon dioxide. If you look at carbon dioxide, we have a shape like this. This is the shape of carbon dioxide. Now this shape, now this one, now there is no lone pair of electron because carbon here has 2 lone pair of electron in the atom shell. Oxygen here, one oxygen here, one oxygen. Both of them need 2 to complete their valence electron. So the 4 of this carbon, 2 will go here, 2 will go here. Therefore, they will now complete the shape, which is what? Will now be what? Linear. So carbon dioxide has what? Has a bond angle of what? 180, because it is linear. Do you get that? Then there is one that has trigonal planar. It's not here. Trigonal planar is found in the case of Boron fluoride. Boron trifluoride. Answer is what? Option C, which is what? A tetrahedral shape. For more of this video, do what to like, share, and comment.